1937's Lincoln Wheat Penny. Show both sides of the coin clearly. This coin was minted in San Francisco, marked by the small s mint mark just below the date. It features the portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse, and on the reverse, 2 wheat stalks framing the words 1 cent. The 1937's wheat penny is made of 95% copper, and is part of the classic wheat cent series, minted from 1909 to 1958. Zoom on mint mark in coin condition. Most 1937's pennies are common, but condition makes the difference. In circulated grades, it's worth around 10 to 50 cents, while uncirculated examples can fetch $8 to $15 or more. Rare errors or high-grade pieces can even reach $100 plus at auctions. Outro music with channel logo animation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support rare coins and lost antique. See you next time for more rare treasures from history.